All right, now welcome to C Custom Design, where we're going to show you another tip. Want to welcome you to my channel, and this series that I'm doing now is called making a something like this, a stool for the church. So the church stool. It's upside down at the moment, and if you watch the previous videos, you'll figure out why that is. Go ahead and look at the series up. What are we doing here? We are attaching these blocks to the underside of the bench. These are the original legs that go through this piece of wood and into what looks like the bottom, but it is the top. So as I said, we flipped it upside down. I need to do something that sounds very easy to do, but I know that if you've been in woodworking for a while, you're going to get this right away. All right, so if I want to glue this piece here, like this, then I want to clamp it. Sounds easy enough, right? We all know how slippery wood glue can be. I'll be using, not sponsored by Gorilla, but I'll be using this Gorilla glue here. What's going to happen? It's going to move all over the place like it's on ice. The tip I have to share with you is this. Go ahead and put in nails. Just pound them in there like this, and I'll show you how we get it ready to do that. Then you're just going to place the unit down here and tap it with your hand, with a hammer, whatever. Just tap it in place, and it isn't going to go anywhere. Obviously, you got to put the glue down, right? And these nails are going to tell that piece of wood, you will go straight down. You will not go that way or this way or that way. You'll go straight down. A tried and true method. And really all you do is you take, in this case, wire nails, okay? And you're going to nip it with wire cutters. So here is the head. We're going to just take the head off, like so. And then you pound it in. I'm going to take the the pointy end, and I'm going to keep that on top, and I'm going to just tap it down. Make sure that it's obviously straight, you know. Just there you go. That's really all I'm doing. And I put 4 of them in total. And so that's your tip of the day. You may not have heard that tip before, but here's another tip. If you take this wire nail and you just proceed to start tapping it into the wood to nail something in, the end can be like a chisel, okay? It could be like a chisel and split the wood. How do you remedy that? Just take the nail and blunt it. That's really all you have to do, okay? So if you've already have a nail set somewhere, you can just go ahead and blunt it like that. So on the other one, we're moving along. I had the project finished. I took it to the church, and I had people who were going to speak at the church sit on the unit and give me their feedback. The very first thing that happened, and I suspect it was going to, it wobbled a little bit. And this is a heavy, heavy unit. If you sit directly in the middle of it, okay, it doesn't wobble whatsoever. But if you don't, and people will do what they'll do. What if they sit on the edge? It was tipping. So if I take these away, you will see those are the original legs, okay? When I add these on here, it's going to add that stability to the unit. And this is a very short video. I'm trying to keep them really, really short and to the point. And I want to thank you for watching. The next time you see this unit, these blocks are going to be routed. I want to shape them kind of like this. These guys, these legs. So I'll route them down to make them look softer. But I'm going to keep all of the surface here. We won't route down here. so it can sit flat on the ground. Okay, so that's how that's going to work. Hopefully you appreciate that. We want to celebrate the small victories. We hit 2K on our channel today, actually, and I think it's June 18th or something like this. So that we're very excited about that. Please look up our videos. We have like 900, I'm sure, at this point, if not more. And we do reviews on tools when I unbox them. Sometimes I'll do a video putting them together. I think I did that for this unit here. So I got lots of tools in the shop. We like to have a lot of fun. Let's stay safe. If you happen to see my shirt, it says sand, 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 and don't cut your finger off. Basically, it's just a little bit of woodworking humor there. So thank you for watching for SE Custom Designs. And do our usual goodbyes. Shalom uvracha. Tot ziens. Basta lami. Zeit jen. Take care. Stay safe out there.